Hey, it's Matt here with 911R. We got this 84 Countach. You know, this is one of those cars you talk about, sometimes you don't want to ever meet your heroes, but this is one I've always wanted to meet. They are just so visceral, and the design is so iconic, and just, this is the car that, everybody in my generation had on their wall. So let's walk around this example. This car's been fully restored and gone through. Just had, $60,000 worth of work done at EMC Motors here in Arizona. Engine out, clutch, throwout bearing, heads, valve job, resealed a lot of stuff on it. So this car mechanically is really sound. The body and paint on it is full show quality. You can't find any flaws in anything in the body and paint. They're, nothing I can find at least. Very straight. All the glass is in perfect condition. It's funny, they talk about the Cybertruck being, so far advanced in its time, because it's windshield and windshield wiper. Countach beat him by decades. So coming back around, this car, has the rear wing on it, no front wing. It's a U.S. delivery car. This car is one of 28 that were produced with fuel injection on it. All the other ones were carbureted. These were made so that for better emissions. This car also has upgraded stainless steel exhaust system on it. Sounds amazing. All the lights and turn signals and all the lenses are all in great shape. The wheels are perfect. Proper Pirelli P7s on it. The interior leather is, just like new on it. The car smells like new. Smells like it just came out of the Italian factory. All the doors open and close very nice. See how nice that works. Again, coming around to the front, other really unique option on this car, which I haven't ever seen, is the factory passing lights in the front bumper. They're really cool looking. Again, it really sets this car apart from others. So let's get in, take it for a drive, start it up here. You can hear how it starts, and we'll talk about some of the drive characteristics of this Countach. Starts up nice and smooth, goes into idle mode. And here, let's go for a drive. All right, let's take this Countach out. Here we go. Such a sweet sound from that V12. Like I was saying, these cars are very analog. It's a pretty non-assisted steering. It's a very, gated, purposeful shift in these cars. The throttle pedals are pretty long throw. Really, this is a very early driver's car. You're very connected to the road and to the engine and the suspension and how everything feels. It's a very visceral and quite exhilarating sound and drive. I love, just love working the gate on a manual car like this, these Italian cars. This car had, like I said, was fully gone through by one of the nation's best Lamborghini people, Steve, or at EMC. So that's really a huge plus on this car. These cars are all over the value range, and really it's because what kind of maintenance they need. Deferred maintenance on these cars is very expensive. This one just had $60,000 spent on it. Get it up to snuff. The AC does work in this car. It blows nice and cold, so that's a big plus. I like that it still has its original Alpine stereo. If you guys are all the same age as I am, go in the stereo shops. They all had the Countach on the wall pictures with the Alpine stereo in it. I have to say I had to buy an Alpine for my Scirocco at the time, but this car goes down the good road, just nice and smooth and straight. No vibrations. The Pirellis are in great shape. The suspension, there's no clunks and rattles. But again, you're driving a Countach. This is just doesn't really get much better than this. Wow, so fun, so fun. I'm gonna miss having this one in the shop after it sells. So this auction ends on Monday. and be really excited to see, you know, but it doesn't get any better than a black Countach. Just makes me smile. So, hey, if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, hit the contact seller button, and we can talk about it and talk about our services. And good luck. Hopefully, see y'all on Monday. Thank you.